Hi guys, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. So today I have in front of me a few different of Madam Glam's cat eye and peacock gel polishes that I want to try. In this video I'm going to be swatching them out and also doing a manicure on my own nails using these polishes. So let's get right into it. So first let's take a look at what we're working with. So this one is a peacock cat eye gel polish. It is called Starry Night. This one has purple in it and also some cool little flakies. This one is called Galactic Mist and it is just a cat eye polish, and once the effect is finished it will have a purple and copper look. This one is called Parjian Knight. Another gorgeous shade, can't wait to try these out. Then we have a peacock gel polish called Cosmic Sparkle. Now for this one, I think you can use this one over other colors. So let's start with the magnetic polishes first. As in my video when I tried out the marble inks, I'm going to be using these little fake nails to do the swatches. Now I most often see people use these magnetic polishes over a coat of black. However, I'm also going to try using it over a coat of itself just to compare the differences and see what it looks like used over a coat of itself versus a coat of black. This one does look pretty sheer on a first coat, so I can see definitely how this one would be better used over a darker base. I'm going to use Madam Glam's Perfect Black for the second swatch of this color, and just fabulous coverage in just one coat. Alrighty, so the magnet I'm going to be using is from Born Pretty. It is double-ended and it has a round side as well as a straight rectangular magnet. So I'm going to take a coat of the magnetic polish and apply a fresh coat over the first nail. And then I'm just going to hold the magnet right over it, and very quickly I can start to see the effect. Let's try the straight end. Beautiful shift there, and to continue playing with it, I'm just going to kind of mess up what I did. So I am not totally impressed with how it looks over a coat of itself. I think this one is just a little bit too sheer for that. So now let's try it over the black. Wow, the polish definitely looks very purple. And then I'm just going to hover the magnet right over it. Ooh, look at that. So cool, wow. It's neat that when you kind of push away the purple shards, you can see underneath the black with the remaining sparkly glitters. Just a fabulous effect. This almost reminds me of like a planet or something. I think the name Starry Night fits this polish perfectly. Well, after curing, here are how the two swatches turned out. Again, I think over the black you can see the effect much better, so that is what I would recommend for this color. One cool thing I want to mention about these Madam Glam bottles is how, in my experience of trying these out, the picture on the front very accurately depicts what the color looks like. So moving along to the next color, we have another cat eye called Galactic Mist. And as with the other polish, I'm going to try two swatches, one over a coat of itself and one over a coat of black. I do want to mention this polish did come across looking much more opaque in one coat than the other one. This color does seem very pretty applied just by itself like this. I suppose that is another alternate way you can use these polishes. I'm going to hold the magnet straight over it for a few seconds. So I would describe the colors here as a copper and a bright plum. And now applying it over the black. And definitely the background color I see when I'm using this one over the black definitely looks to be more of a dark purple than the plum. Alrighty, so here you can see the two colors together. They're both very pretty. I would say that the one used over black better resembles the picture on the front of the bottle. Moving along, next I'm going to try Parjian Knight. This one looks so gorgeous on Madam Glam's website, I thought I would try it out. And we're definitely looking a bit sheer on the first coat. Alrighty, so we're first off going to try the effect of the color when used over a coat of itself. Definitely a bit on the sheer side, but I love the hot pink color. Now trying it over the black base. And just a gorgeous color. Again, using the rounded edge of the magnet to create a little circle at the corner does remind me of a planet. Since this polish is on the sheer side, I think it definitely looks better when it's used over the black. And I wasn't able to catch any of the possible orange color that might have been in this color. But I think the black and hot pink together is just such a gorgeous, striking combo. Moving on to our peacock gel polish called Cosmic Sparkle. I'm going to try a swatch of this color with two coats and also over black. I believe someone mentioned in the comments of this polish that this polish would look great over any color. So that's how I came to the conclusion that it's probably best used as a topper. For the second coat, it definitely adds more sparkliness, but since this nail already has a pretty white base, I think it gives me an idea of what it would look like if I used it over white. This reminds me of winter, kind of that icy, shattered look. Now I'm applying it over black, and definitely the purple side comes out. I think it looks simply stunning over black, and I just love all the little flakies in it. And here is what all the colors look like next to their swatches. For each pair, the one on the right is the one used over the black color. I think these are all so gorgeous. Now for the next part of the video, I'm actually going to be playing some pre-recorded footage of me doing my left hand nails. I did them using the Galactic Mist, and I thought I would just show you guys what the color looked like when it's used on my actual nails. So yeah, let's get right into that. Alrighty guys, so it's me on voiceover. This is a manicure that I actually did quite a few days ago. I actually did it like right after I did that big Madam Glam haul. I was just so excited to try these out. I just had to do it. So I quickly did them and filmed it. And so now I'm going to show you guys. So let me get to describing what's going on here. So these are all my natural nails except for the pointer nail. I'm going to be using the ASP Make It Peelable base coat to apply to all of them. Later, I have actually already removed this manicure, and this base coat did very well at removing the gel polish, making it peel off very easily. Now, although this is a base coat in a sense, I am going to be using a black nail polish, and I just didn't want any staining to happen, so I grabbed my regular gel base coat. This one is from Gershon. I don't have one from Madam Glam yet. And then cure them in my little tiny pink lamp from Madam Glam. This one is a great little travel lamp, and it just plugs right into my laptop. I just press the button on the top to turn it on. Alright, so then I'm grabbing Madam Glam's Perfect Black, and this has a super rich, thick formula. It is a one coater, which I found was super useful for when you want to do nail art like this, that you want to put a color over it. You don't have to mess at all with doing two coats. Yeah, just flawless coverage in one coat. Super easy to work with. I'm just going to apply that to all of the nails and then curing again in my lamp. Alrighty, so the cat eye polish I'm going to be using is called Galactic Mist. I did swatch this one earlier in this video. So I'm going to apply a coat, and the color by itself kind of looks almost rose gold, which is kind of cool. And I'm just applying this to my thumb and holding the magnet bar straight over it, and it creates a beautiful line in it. I do prefer the look with the circle magnet, so I'm trying to create my favorite S shape that I love so much. It's kind of tricky, but if I hold it right on both sides, just right, it makes that nice swirly shape. And just like magic, the purple just appears out of nowhere, and then that copper is super bright. And the purple is just so gorgeous, guys. Alrighty, so I'm moving on to the other nails. Again, applying one coat of the cat eye polish over it, not curing, and then holding the circle magnet at both edges to create that S shape. And once I'm happy with all of the nails, I'm going to cure. And actually, after I have manipulated the magnet polish the way I liked it, I just pop it in my lamp for a few seconds just to flash cure it so it doesn't get messed up while I work on the other nails. But then once I'm done all of them, I'm going to cure for a full 30 seconds. So today I'm going to be using Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Coat. This top coat is very convenient that it's a no wipe. However, I've noticed that it is not the shiniest top coat I've used, so it seems to be a little bit of a trade-off. I don't know if any of you can relate to this, or maybe it's just me, but I just do notice that. But here is what the completed manicure looks like. I think this color is so gorgeous, and I was honestly really impressed that I could create such a cool looking manicure right at home. The effect is so stunning, and I do like showing it off. Well, that is the video I have for you guys today. Coming up soon, I am planning to try out the Madam Glam gel polish remover on some of these manicures that I have done. It probably won't be the one next week. Next week, I might be doing something with Rossi's dip powder, since they did send me a few to try out. And then I also got a PR package from Glitterlust Nails to try out. So it's either one of those things I'm going to be doing next week, but I will plan to get to trying out that gel polish remover, which I'm super curious about. So anyways, I want to thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all my new subscribers. Right now I have 1,167. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you'd like to see some of the other products from Madam Glam that I have referred to, and also that big haul video that I did when I unboxed close to $200 worth of products from them, I will have that linked in the upper right corner of your screen. I also want to shout out a comment from Vanessa's Nails. She commented, "I'm so behind on videos. These inks look really pretty. Thank you so much for commenting on my last video. I'm really glad glad you enjoyed. I'm also subscribed to her. She does awesome nail art videos. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you next Wednesday for my next video, and have a magical day.